I talk and say, my next video, I will talk about Edo people. You know one thing about Edo? The Edos. If you like, tell me inside the mention name. I am here for states that is inside Nigeria. And Edo State is one of the states that make Nigeria a country. Edo State. Una take Curtis as una watchword. I can remember how many sins, how many crimes that has been committed in Edo State based from Curtis issues. Now Edo State. So I can't be surprised when this news come up. Say fear in Edo State on Fulani herders. Really? Edo State talking about fear of Fulani henchmen. Really? Where are those Curtis? Because I noticed that Edo State in Nigeria is one of the states that feel that Curtis is a means of making it. If you don't belong to Curtis, you won't make it in life. How can a state like that can carry a basket of fire on their head and walk into a prison and break the prison? I am not against the prison that was broken in Edo State. Fine. They acted the part 2 of prison breaker. Perfect. Good one. The Nigeria police deserve that. Because that prison, many souls, innocent souls were there. Because Nigeria police, they are thieves. They are thieves. If you listen to news very well, you see the girl where they kill, where they rape. They raped the girl. On the atrocity that was the test that was conducted. Sorry, I'm not the doctor, not to bite my tongue. The test where they conduct, they say they see sperm for the girl body, dead sperm when he die for the girl body. Meanwhile, this girl they arrest Chioma Magu, something like that. This girl they arrest her for her boyfriend house. Make I just throw this story here before I continue with the Edos. This girl they arrest her for her boyfriend house after her introduction. When they go look for her, say her boyfriend they deal with drugs. Police go house, go arrest a guy where they deal with drugs. Then see the girl, then carry the girl. Then carry this girl finish, then rape this girl to death, strangle her to death, rape her. They got tossing an overdose of drugs. Now this girl collects. The girl collect overdose of drugs when I keep her for inside police custody until she die. Useless Nigeria police. Now turn that one by one. Now make on the life they waste. Because any police life any waste, and then they feel them. Just like the way army, the Nigeria soldiers now they die one by one. Because since they don't know where they go do peacekeeping. Yes. They feel saying that Olu, they want turn Olu to Sabasa forest. Say, if say ever since Boko Haram has been finishing them, the Nigeria soldiers they don't finish them for Sabasa. For northern side, they never feel defeat. Then now they can't turn Olu to Sabasa forest. That is how their soul will be going one by one. Since they say that Igbos, for the eastern security, maybe say they create, maybe say never take. When you say Boko Haram has been existing for years, the Nigeria soldiers, they not fit defeat them. I can't get good news now. They say this new chief of army staff. I can't say at least then show us one when it be say BBC, no sabi BBC. I know I want channel news. I don't know when they talk and say at least the army they later defeat some Boko Haram after 48 hours of a mission. At least I congratulate the armies for that one. But you see, as long as those who say they go say they turn or look to Sabasa forest, death will collect them one by one. Death will collect those soldiers one by one. Una going to die one by one. Shebi the aircraft when it crashed for Abuja, they say 7 died. Then they got to say the women they cry. What are you crying for? You say choose to marry a soldier. What are you expecting? I say for one video say, I'm sure I know if you play that video now. One video say the army, the soldiers, they video their guy or their one of their colleague when he died. Cause say, hey, you lost your soul. What did you sign for? You sign say if you go to the war front, you must come back alive every time. I mean, you say a baby say you want marry soldier. What did you expect? Are you not expected to be a widow before? It is normal. It's what they sign. When I saw the video, I said, "Now, what did they sign?" Somebody sent it to me on my private chat, and I returned to the person. That is what they signed for. Because if they sympathize with them, why did they die for war front? They're not going to go war front again. To join army before, na moi before. My stepfather is a old soldier. He died. They amputated his leg. He later died. Now for soldier, now for war front, they took him out his leg from. So I lost my stepfather for that. So I don't say anything that is wrong about that. It's what you signed for. So one day you must die there. So as for the Edos, as he say, monarch as in king, come they appoint who go be priest for church. Edos not don loss. Very soon your state will become a problem state too. King, they appoint priest for church. Edo state, whoa, until now. Your state is going, in short, Edo state is going gradually. Edo state is going, how many Asian state we have? The only one. 9 king, don't they appoint priest for church? That will not be church. That means that church there's a war. Please, I want more details about that church. If you say king appoint priest. If there's a war between the priests that want to preach in the church, then the other news say Edo fear for forest. Where when I get big men for Curtis. All the top guys, home and abroad. Some of them na Curtis. The weapon until they cut on a brother heads. Una be fool, una the craze. Edo boys na the mad. Madness went on a bro, na the craze. If una feel come outside they talk, if una feel allow this man to say, then they fear for Fulani henchmen. And una get cutlass, una get gun, una get weapons, ass men, cutlass men, red cap men, blue cap men. Then they una come to say they fear Fulani henchmen for una state. They una be perfect liars. They una be fool. Come and beat me if you see me. Una be fool. Edo, now they sponsor this my program. Edo they sponsor me one way or the other. They are helping me, but that does not stop me not to tell them they are wrong. How can Edo State voice out that they are scared of what? Fulani henchmen. When they hear English, it's a shame on una. If una allow such thing, Igbos don't even get Curtis Rishona. This hearing stay one place, I beg. Igbos not get Curtis Rishona, but they are defeating Fulani henchmen. They are defeating bandits in their states. Then now you, Edo, when una carry court for head. Curtis now watch word. Una they kill una brothers. How many of una videos I don't see? Una murder una brothers, cut them, shoot them. Now una open una mouth say una they fear of the Fulani headers. Go until now. If una allow this kind of news come out again, I dey expect una so that go dey slaughter this bandit, slaughter the headers, Fulani headers. So I they call them. Now they call shame me. Una dey craze. Una brain loose on her head. Edo guys. What you go make on allow this kind of news come out? It's a disgrace to the Edos. It's a disgrace to them. It's a shame to you guys that the only power I get now to kill on our own fellow people. Come and beat me. It's a shame. Both the Sephora, both Nigeria here. It's a shame to you guys. On allow this kind of news. This news is a disgrace to them. And it's also a disgrace to them. Say, on a priest, king. Now they appoint priest for church. That means so that church na political church. That means that church cannot be answerable to God. God not get hand to that kind of church. I'm not saying where we say king can't get hand how to control church. They can't appoint priest for church. Whoa! Onto Edo State. Edo State, woe unto you guys. I don't expect such useless news to come out from that place. So wake up. Edo State, Edo guys, wake up. The Edos, wake up. Don't allow such news. Don't allow such a shameful news. The news they say they come out for courtesy until they kill una self, kill una own brothers. Una hearts na evil. I wonder what the courtists they pay una. You people, una be gang of devilish people. If una believe on courtists, and you people could not believe on gaining peace, gaining freedom from people who say they come from Benue, they come from Togo, they come from Senegalese, they come from Portuguese, they come from Arab, they are just Arabics. They come from Ghana. And those are and they take push them, so they enter Nigeria. When it be said the Muslim, the Hausas can't accept them because they are all the same religious. But now the Hausas are rejecting them. Even Nigeria said that Fulani headers are not accepted. So why should they allow you to be scared of them? They can't come tag and fear of Fulani headers in Edo State. Woe unto you guys. Woe unto you guys. If you cannot fight for your peace, but yet you are fighting against peace. Because killing your brothers on courtesy is against peace. Murdering your own brother, yes, red cap, blue bed, ass, hence, how do you call them? Flyers men, this men, red this. Whoa! Unto you guys. If you like, no sponsor. If you like, no send me money, matter it. Another person will send. Same another Edo go send them. Because all birds are not the same feathers. All birds are not the same feathers. Edos, wake up. Use that same weapon you are using for courtesy. Use it against those headers. Things. Please, most of you have been telling me, we love you, Jew Empires, we love you, Mind Feather, you are good. Do you know what? If you want to make me proud, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Mind Feather. My YouTube name still remains Mind Feather on Instagram. So please, if you love me, if you know you really love me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mind Feather. Thanks for watching.